Welcome friends. Namaste. I am Gulila Dogude. Now we will start from grade first standard first. The subject is drawing and the lesson number 1 is dots. What is dots? Let's see what is dots. So in drawing subject, dot is the smallest unit. So what is the answer? It is a smallest unit of drawing. It is the smallest unit of drawing. Then its size, we know shape, round. How the dot look like? Dot looks like a round shape. Then think about its size. It may be very big or it may be small. So dots are very big or very small. The next characteristics of dots is we can draw them in a line. Means drawing in a line or randomly. Randomly we can draw them. Then from dots we get shapes, means uses. Uses of dots. We get shapes. So these are the characteristics of dots. What is dot? Dot is a very smallest unit in our drawing subject. And its shape is round. Size may be big, may be small. And when we use it, we can use in a line or randomly we can use dots. Then what is the uses? We can draw different types of shapes and forms using this basic element dot. Understand? Now come to the next page. Friends, this is Art Verse drawing book for grade 1 standard first, and this is the lesson number 1. Now we just learn what is dot and what is its uses, its shape, size, and how we can use dots in our drawing. So let's do one simple exercise given in first aid. Draw and see. Very simple and little exercises are given here. 6 exercises are given here. A dot, big dot, small dots. A dot, then draw one rectangle here, big dot, then third one is small, fourth one is dots in a line, then fifth one dots close together, the last one is dots far apart. I explain you in Hindi. A dot means, single dot means छोटा सा बिंदु, बड़ा, big dot means बड़ा, then small dots or one single dot, small it is. Dots in a line, एक लाइन में डॉट्स जब बनाते हैं तो वो लाइन में दिखते हैं. Dots close together, we can see there is no sufficient distance, they are very close to each other. These dots we can call as together dots. Then far apart means they are not near to each other. We can clearly see the big distance between the two dots. This is the small and simple exercise given in your textbook, page number 1. Now come to the next point. Turn the page. See the next page. Page number 2. 1B. Dots make lines. This is also a small exercise is given here. Join all the dots to make lines using a piece of chalk. Means, look at the shape. This is a rectangle black shape. Then dots are given here. So join them using a chalk like this. Then count and write the number of lines you have drawn. Means count lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means we get total 10 lines are here. See this exercise on the same blackboard. We do it fast. And also friends, try it at home many times. It gives you a practice of double lines. So draw a shape, square, rectangle, circle, pentagon, triangle, whatever you want to draw. Then draw dots randomly anywhere. Count the dots first. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. We take 14 dots here. Total dots 14. Then join the dots. Like this, we get a nice shape here. Start counting the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. Total lines 21. Very simple exercise it is for standard first. So friends, at home, draw a shape, outer big shape which you like. It may be pentagon, triangle, rectangle or balloon, star shape, any shape, whatever you like. Then draw randomly, some dots are there. And like this, number there 1, 2, 10, 11, etc. And total dots number is here. After joining all the dots, you will get some lines. Count all the lines and write down the counting here. Understand? Thank you. We will meet in the next